When it comes to kitchen essentials, a high-quality frying pan is a must-have. This GraniteStone Nonstick Frying Pan is here to redefine your cooking experience with its ultra-non-stick surface, healthy materials, and super durable design. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or a beginner, this 12-inch frying pan offers everything you need to cook with ease, comfort, and style. In this detailed review, we'll break down all the reasons why the GraniteStone 12-inch frying pan should be the next addition to your kitchen. From non-toxic materials to easy cleanup and superior heat distribution, this pan checks all the boxes for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Why GraniteStone Nonstick Frying Pan is a must-have. The GraniteStone Nonstick Frying Pan stands out in a sea of kitchen cookware. It's designed to offer exceptional performance while keeping your food healthy and your cleanup hassle-free. From the first sizzle to the last bite, this high-performance pan will help you cook your favorite dishes with minimal oil, healthier ingredients, and maximum flavor. Key features and benefits. The GraniteStone frying pan is coated with 3 layers of non-stick material and reinforced with diamonds. This creates the ultimate non-stick cooking surface that makes food release effortless and requires little to no oil or butter. It's perfect for those who want to eat healthier and avoid unnecessary fats in their cooking. The GraniteStone coating is made from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, making this pan PFOA, PFS, lead, and cadmium-free. You can rest assured that your food is cooked in a safe, non-toxic environment. This eco-friendly and healthy cookware ensures that harmful chemicals aren't leaching into your meals. With its non-stick surface, cleanup is a breeze. Simply place the GraniteStone frying pan in the dishwasher after cooking, and you're done. The non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, which means you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. The unique diamond-infused coating makes this pan one of the most durable non-stick options available. It can withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks, and even electric beaters, all while maintaining its non-stick performance for years. This makes the GraniteStone frying pan perfect for heavy-duty use in the kitchen. Whether you're sautéing on the stove or finishing off your dish in the oven, the GraniteStone frying pan is designed to be oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it versatile enough to tackle a variety of cooking techniques, from stovetop frying to oven roasting, all without missing a beat. The stainless steel handles are designed with both right and left-handed cooks in mind. The unique Y-shaped handles allow heat to escape, ensuring that they stay cool to the touch, providing a safe and comfortable cooking experience. The ergonomic handles make it easy to move the pan around the kitchen without the risk of burns. The GraniteStone frying pan is stamped from a solid sheet of aluminum, ensuring that heat is distributed evenly across the entire surface. This means there are no hot spots or cold zones, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. After a delicious meal, the last thing you want to do is spend time cleaning up. The GraniteStone frying pan is dishwasher safe, so you can quickly and easily clean it without any hassle. Just pop it in the dishwasher and let it do the work for you. The GraniteStone frying pan comes with a 10-year limited guarantee, giving you peace of mind that this durable pan will serve you well for years to come. What makes the GraniteStone frying pan perfect for you? Healthy cooking. Ultra non-stick surface allows cooking with minimal oil. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe with a non-stick coating for quick cleaning. Durable. Diamond-infused coating resists wear and handles metal utensils. Versatile. Suitable for frying, sautéing, roasting, and oven use, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Eco-friendly. Free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium for safe cooking. Pros of the GraniteStone frying pan. Non-stick surface that requires little to no oil for healthier cooking. Durable diamond-infused coating that lasts longer than traditional non-stick pans. Oven safe up to 500 degrees, making it versatile for a range of cooking methods. Stay cool handles for safe and comfortable cooking. Even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. 10-year limited guarantee for peace of mind. Cons of the GraniteStone frying pan. Size. The 12-inch size is perfect for most meals, but may be too small for larger family cooking or big gatherings. Weight. While durable, the pan may be a bit heavier than lightweight options, which could be a factor for those looking for a super light frying pan. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.